Step 5. Individual or professional account. When creating your Amazon seller account, you have two options: individual or professional. Let's break down the differences so you can choose wisely. Individual account, $0 monthly fee. 99 cents per item sold. Best for less, 40 items month. The individual account has no monthly subscription fee, but you'll pay 99 cents for every item sold. It's ideal if you plan to sell fewer than 40 items per month. Professional account, $39.99 monthly fee. Unlimited items. Advanced tools. The professional account costs $39.99 per month, but you can list unlimited items and get access to advanced selling tools and advertising. Key differences table: individual or professional. In short, individual is best for testing the waters. Professional is best when you're ready to scale and sell in larger volumes. Choosing your plan. You can start with an individual account and upgrade to professional at any time. Many sellers do this once sales increase. Up next, Step 6. Required documentation. Now that you know which plan fits your needs, let's prepare the documents you'll need to register successfully.